Hello everyone, my name is Shivi Gupta and I am back with an informative video on insurance intermediaries in India. In this video, I will be talking about the concept of insurance brokers and the different types of insurance brokers that operate in India. The insurance sector in the country witnessed a significant growth in the past decades in terms of the kinds of insurance policies available as well as the potential buyers for such policies. This increase led to an urgency for the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India to introduce different intermediaries in the sector. The primary objective of introducing different insurance intermediaries was to streamline the insurance market, bring more transparency and clarity for insurance buyers. One such intermediary introduced by the IRDA to fulfill these objectives is the insurance broker. So what exactly is the insurance broker? Insurance brokers are entities that are tasked with representing the interest of insurance buyers by acting as a catalyst between insurance companies and the buyers. The concept of insurance brokers was introduced in 2002 when the IRDA insurance broker regulations were first enacted. Insurance brokers are primarily engaged in providing insurance advisory and risk management assistance to insurance buyers, enabling them to manage their risk associated with life, health and property more carefully. Insurance brokers serve as intermediaries between insurance companies and insurance buyers, helping the buyers to make the right purchase, renewal and claim choices. These entities affiliate with insurance companies to understand the terms and conditions, the cost and coverage of their policies and help insurance buyers in choosing the best policy as per their risk requirements. Operating as an insurance broker requires a license from the IRDA as per the IRDA Insurance Broker Regulations of 2018. Without such license, no entity can engage in any insurance broking functions of any kind. Now, let's come to the different kinds of insurance brokers that can operate as per the IRDA regulations. In India, there are three main categories of insurance brokers, that are direct brokers, reinsurance brokers and composite brokers. These categories are based on the different functions that can be undertaken by these insurance brokers. Let's first discuss the most commonly known category, that is direct brokers. So direct brokers are those insurance brokers that serve as an intermediary between insurance companies and insurance buyers. These insurance brokers provide claim advisory, claim consultancy and risk management to insurance buyers directly, helping them with their insurance purchase, renewal and claim needs. The key functions of direct brokers are listed under the IRDA regulations and include obtaining the client's information and risk management needs, understanding the client's business and underwriting information for the insurer, providing advice on the best insurance policy and terms, maintaining a detailed database of available insurance products, assisting clients in paying premium, assisting in negotiation claims, opening e-insurance accounts, etc. Direct brokers are further categorized into direct brokers life, direct brokers general and direct brokers life and general. Direct broker life can engage in insurance broking activities only for life insurance products. They cannot deal in general insurance or non-life insurance policies. Similarly, direct brokers general can deal only with non-life insurance products such as health insurance, travel insurance, marine insurance, car insurance, etc., but cannot deal in life insurance policies. Direct broker life and general are allowed to deal with all kinds of insurance products without any restriction. While filing an insurance broker license application, the applicant must carefully mention what kind of direct broker they wish to operate as. If the applicant is granted a license under the direct broker life category, they cannot undertake insurance broking functions for general insurance products. The next kind of insurance brokers are reinsurance brokers. These brokers are also called brokers for insurance companies since they provide insurance broking services between insurance companies and reinsurance companies. When insurance companies wish to insure their financial risk, reinsurance broker provide them advisory, claim consultancy and risk management services with reinsurance companies. Reinsurance companies assume these financial risks of insurance companies, enabling insurers to transfer their risk portfolio and reduce their exposure in case of a disaster or other such large event. The key functions of a reinsurance broker include advising insurers on technical data on reinsurance covers available in the international and reinsurance markets, maintaining database of the available reinsurance markets including solvency rating of individual insurers, providing reinsurance risk management services, selecting and recommending a reinsurer or a group of reinsurer to the insurance company, creating market capacity and facility for new, stressed, emerging and existing business and asset class for and from insurers and reinsurers, providing primary loss advice within time, ensuring prompt collection and remittance of funds, etc. Reinsurance brokers also play a key role in managing the inward and outward businesses like collecting information of country such as political stability, economic position, tax laws, regulations, etc. in case of international reinsurer, and introducing new products based on the reinsurer's business plan and risk appetite. For outward businesses, reinsurance brokers also provide the rating and market credibility of the reinsurers. The last category of insurance broker is composite brokers. These brokers are a mix of direct brokers and reinsurance brokers. Composite brokers perform both direct and reinsurance broking functions for individuals, corporate businesses as well as reinsurance assistance to insurance companies. The functions, registration formalities and post-license compliances for these three kinds of insurance brokers are completely different, and therefore an applicant must be extremely careful while filing their insurance broker license application with the IRDA. Wrong classification can be a ground for questioning by the authority and may even result in rejection of the license application. Enterslice is a large team of business experts who can assist you with your insurance broker license requirements. Our team can help you choose the right insurance broker category as per your business needs and guide you throughout your dealings with the IRDA. Not only that, our experts are also well versed with the IRDA post-license compliances and can help you ensure that you do not violate any compliance norms of the IRDA. Our team can be contacted on the information shown on the screen, or you can comment below about your requirements. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and stay tuned for more such videos.